start with Bismillah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today it is your English lecture, and the name of the topic is Friends Takes Together. So, all of you take out your English books, open unit number 5. Today we will study about Friends Take Together. Jeff and Tom were friends. They lived in the mountains and loved going for walks in the forest nearby. Sometimes they would bring a picnic. There was only one thing they did not like about the forest. Now they are saying that Jeff and Tom were friends and they live in the forest and they loved to going for the walk in the forest. Sometimes they would bring a picnic. One thing they don't like about the forest is bears. If any bears come out of the trees, I will stay with you and help you, said Tom. Now Tom said to the Jeff that if any bear will come out of the trees, I will stay with you and you will help me. I will help you too. After all, we are friends and friends sticks together, said Jeff. Jeff said that I will help you because we are friends. One day, Tom and Jeff were deep in the forest. They were having a picnic. Now they are saying one day Tom and Jeff were in the forest and they were having a picnic. Suddenly, they heard a very large growl. They turned around and saw a great big bear. Now they saw a great big bear over there. Up they jumped and started to run. Tom tripped and hurt his foot. Jeff did not stop. Wait, please help me, said Tom. But Jeff was afraid and kept running. He climbed a tree and was safe. He looked back and saw Tom. Now the bear comes towards Tom and Jeff, but the Jeff ran away and Tom was standing there. And Tom was shouting, please help me, Jeff, please help me. But Jeff was afraid and he ran away. He climbed a tree and was safe. He looked back and now Jeff climbed a tree and now Jeff is safe. And now he looked back at saw where is Tom. Tom was lying on the ground. Tom was afraid, but it was too late. He pretended his was dead. Now, what Tom did? Tom lying on the ground, and it act like that he is dead. The bear came over to Tom. Bear जो था वो टॉम के पास आया. He put his nose down and smelled him. Now the bear smelled the Tom. He sniffed and sniffed. He thought Tom was dead, so he went away. Now bear thought that Tom is dead and bear went away. Jeff came down the tree and came over to Tom. What did the bear say when he put his mouth near your ear? Now Jeff is asking from Tom that what did a bear said you? Because the bear has put his mouth near your ear. The bear told me to be very careful who I pick as friends. Tom said that bear told me that be careful who I pick as friends. He said friends sticks together and not to bother with people who run away from you when you need them most. They said be careful from those friends when you need their help and they ran away from you. Now we will do answer these questions. Question number 1 is who were friends? So the answer is Jeff and Tom were friends. Question number 2, where did they live? Answer is they lived in the mountain. Question number 3 is what did they hear? Answer is they heard a very loud growl. Question number 4, who went up the tree? Answer is Jeff went up the tree. Question number 5, was Jeff a good friend? So the answer is Jeff was not a good friend. Now for the true statements we will mark tick, and for the wrong we will mark cross. Jeff and Tom were friends. Yes. Tom climbed a tree. No. False. Tom pretended to growl. False. The bear ate the picnic. Yes, it is true. Find the words big hills, mountain, lots of trees, forest, growling animal, beer, a meal outside, picnic. Spelling scramble. First word is jumped, then turned, climbed, happy. Write three words that describes bear. The three words are big, wild, and scary. Bear is wild, jungly, scary, खौफज़दा. Write the sentences in the correct order. They have given us the sentences and we have to arrange them in the correct order. Then you can go back home. It is nice to have a friend. You can play together. So we will arrange them in the correct order. Number 1, it is nice to have a friend. You can play together. Then you can go back home. Then I go to bed. Sometimes I watch cartoons. I like watching television. Now we have to arrange them. I like watching television. Sometimes I watch cartoons. Number 3 is then I go to bed. Write the correct words. Number 1, I bought a book yesterday. I will not be finished until tomorrow. I am reading it now. I saw another book in the shop yesterday. I do not have the money to buy it now. What am I? I am quite dark. I have lots of trees, forest. I have roots and branches. I have fruit, apple tree. I am dark and cold. I am made of rock, cave. I am large and sloped. You can climb me. Answer is mountain. I am small and hard. You can lift me. Stone. I have grass. I usually have a gate. Answer is field. Make real words. You have to make the real words. Bean, seen, hate, shoot, boot, suit, hoot, shave, bill, safe, have, sharp, bark, sail, hawk, shop, bale, sat, hail, shin. Now your homework is revise chapter number 5. Solve its exercise and reread the chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.